Hey, what's up, crafter? And welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm very thrilled to announce you my first book was released in a Google Play book on ebook, and the name, no spoil, you can see, the Sourdough History, Fermentation Logic and Modern Craft. So, previous to jump on this history of why I am writing this book, you have the link below this video, and if you want to purchase, you can go directly, click in, and you can find on a store. So this is about a little bit years ago. I wanted to writing a book, to give and deliver the best of my passion for the bread and the bread mankind, obvious. And what I want to start, this is about the sourdough. Because if you want to do a good bread, you need to start by to do a good sourdough. And the sourdough is a pillar and the foundation of your bread journey. So for that, I'm back with a little bit history, and after I'm going to explain you about the fermentation and the modern craft. So you will find on this book bit theory, obvious, but it will be more theory and poetic writing, around 28 pages, not very heavy, so very easy to read, very easy to understand, and a little bit more deep with advanced bakery word and advanced bakery technology, but not too heavy for the beginner also. Everyone can read this book. Honestly, it's a good ride to understand, to masterize your sourdough, how to feed, what is lactic or acetic bacteria, what is a wild yeast, why I need to use this type of flour or another flour, which type of temperature should I need, etc., etc. So everything is explained on 7 chapters on this book. And what I'm trying, so I know is a little bit tiny details, but this is this picture because this picture represents the water starter. So that means resin, water, and sugar, of course, to start with lacto fermentation. And with this water, you will start your sourdough starter. And this is exactly what I'm thinking and why this book, this first book is for. This is to start something. So this book will be in a series with different other books coming to be a little bit more deeper. Until now is only in English, but soon I will translate to French and later in Chinese. So honestly, I hope you will click on the link. You have 20% to read and to have a look on what is for. Also, you have a description. So go on a Google Play book, pay an eyes on this one. And if really you want to know more further about the sourdough, I hope this book will help you. Obvious, I will continue to do some video on the theory content and everything I can do on this channel. But this one, the book and the video are very good connection to give you and deliver the best experience for you and for your learning journey. So hope crafter you like and enjoy this book. Same, I like to do it. And I told you, see you soon. Thank you.